Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we will be solving one more LRDI problem, and before we move on, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in this set. Okay, let's see. A shipping company has certain number of ships in its fleet. The company pays the quarterly salary of all the employees to the ship captain, which in turn divides it further to the crew of the ship. The amount given by the company to the captain is known as the operating cost, which includes quarterly salary plus quarterly incentive plus bonus. The quarterly incentive of each ship is calculated as certain predetermined percentage of the quarterly salary. Quarterly incentive is a percentage of the quarterly salary. The bonus depends on the revenue that each ship generated. Bonus depends on the revenue that each ship generated during that quarter. If a ship generated a revenue of at least 10 million pounds, then he or she is paid 0.2 of the revenue generated, which means 0.2 into whatever is the revenue will go as the bonus during the quarter as the bonus of a particular ship. Else, the bonus of 1 million pound is paid to the captain. If they are not crossing 10 million, the bonus will be 1 million only. The bubble chart given below provides the total operating cost. That is this value, vertical axis, and the percentage of the quarterly salary as a quarterly incentive on the horizontals for each of the 8 ships. S1 through S8. S1 is ship 1, ship 2, ship 3, so on, ship 8. For a particular quarter, the bubbles drawn to scale are drawn to the scale such that the area of each of the bubble represents the revenue that generated for the ship. It is known that ship 3 generated a revenue of 36 million in the given quarter. Okay, so let's see in detail. The one thing which we know, ship 3 generated a revenue of 36 million. Ship 3 generated a revenue of 36 million. Okay, ship 3 is over here. So from here to here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 lines, it is generating a revenue of 36 million. That 6 lines acts as the diameter. But they told with respect to area formula is pi r square. So radius will be 3 parts only. So pi into 3 into 3, that is for ship 3 by, there are 2 other circles. One is with 4, one is with 2. This is 4 as diameter, so 2 will be radius. This is 2 as diameter, so 1 will be radius. Let us calculate for everything. So pi into 2 into 2 is equal to 36 by something. This gets cancelled. This is 9 by 4, 9 fours. This value will be equal to 16. Okay. So the revenue of S5 revenue, S8 revenue, S1 revenue, S6 revenue is equal to 16 million rupees. Now let us calculate for the small ones also. Pi into 3 into 3 by pi into 1 into 1 is equal to 36 by, pi gets cancelled, 9 and 4. This value is equal to 4. That is for S4, S2, S7. For these 3 values, this is equal to 4 million rupees. That is the revenue. All these are revenues. which means This S5, S8, S1, S6 and S3 will get 0.2 of the revenue as the bonus. S4, S2, S7 will get 4 million rupees as 1 million rupees as the bonus because they are not crossing the turnover of 10 million rupees. This is the basic information we can get from this. Now what else we can do? Let us check for ship 1. What all we can calculate? I know revenue of ship 1 is equal to, ship 1 is this circle. That circle revenue is equal to 16 million rupees. For this S1, they gave operating cost is 22. So operating cost is 22 million rupees. Next, because the revenue is more than 10 million, bonus will be equal to 0.2 into 16 million. That will be equal to 3.2 million rupees is the bonus. Next, now we already know operating cost equal to salary plus incentive plus bonus. I know operating cost is 22. From this 22, if I remove bonus, that will be equal to quarterly salary plus quarterly incentive, which is equal to 22 minus 3.2. Quick, very good. That will be equal to 18.8 million rupees. And quarterly income, quarterly incentive as a percentage of quarterly salary. So quarterly incentive is 25%. Quarterly incentive is equal to 25% of quarterly salary. Quarterly incentive, let it be X. Sorry, if salary is X, incentive will be equal to 1.25X. Together, sum of these two values is equal to 18.8 million rupees. So 2.25x is equal to 18.8 million rupees. X is equal to what? Calculate. Quick. For these stupid calculations, we have anyway calculator, so don't worry about this. Very good. This will be 15.04 million rupees. This is what? The quarterly salary in ship 1. Okay. Now, you understood what we need to do. This we already found out. This is there over here. This bonus, if it is crossing 10 million as the revenue, then we'll do 0.2 into revenue. So it will be, if this revenue is more than 10, that will be 3.2. If it is less than 4, the other value 4, that will be 1 only. So already that is standard. Okay. This quarterly salary plus quarterly incentive is operating cost minus whatever is the bonus we are having. So minus 3.2 or minus 1 only, no other new values. This percentage is given over here horizontally. So you will get this value also. From that you will find X value, which is quarterly salary. With all this information, now frame a table. That table will help you solve these 4 questions. Clear, everyone? Now quickly pause the video over here. Try to frame a table. Let's see how the table will turn out to be. Pause the video over here. So the table will turn out to be something like this. Ship 1, let us see what values we got. We got operating cost from the graph, which is 22. Yes. Revenue 16. Bonus 3.2. 0.2 into whatever is there. See, everywhere you will get the same value. 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4. 16, 16, 16 and 16. The values will not change. And this will be difference between this 22 minus 3.2, 14 minus 1, 12 minus 7.2. And this percentage is already in the graph. So this is vertical graph. This is horizontal graph. Remaining values will calculate. Once you can make this table, then the whole problem is directly looking at the table and marking the answers. Okay, so pause the video. I want you to comment down what are the answers you got for this set. Also, how much time you took to solve this question. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share, and subscribe.